just arriving here at the Performance Plus car wash off of M66 here in Ionia, Michigan, and we're going to give the car wash a try. Let's see, looks like the top one is 14 for the Platinum, so we'll go for that. I'll just go for the 14.
14, all right. Make sure you're neutral and got ready.
Thank you. I didn't show it all on camera, but that guy just did an extremely thorough pre-wash. Probably took him about 5 minutes, so that's really nice. But anyway, here we go. That sign over there says that's our undercarriage wash, as well as our wheel cleaner. We're starting with pre-soak. Got a midder curtain here. As well as a couple of brushes. Oh, look at this. We got bubbles here, and it says this is the Simmons Hot Wax. That's really neat. As well as it appears to be tri-foam. It says this is the sealer wax. As well as a rust inhibitor. Here are the dryers. I'm giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in quality. I was very impressed by how well this wash did, and the pre-wash at the beginning was extremely thorough. I'm giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in value. Now, normally I would take some points off for it being so expensive, but with all you get and with how thorough the pre-wash is, I really do think this place is worth $14. I'm giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in overall experience. Overall, the wash was in very nice condition, and all of the signage was clearly legible. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to tune in next time for more car wash reviews.